Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Zengo Wallet in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then search Zengo. There you can see Zengo Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using Zengo Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.